has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southern Newton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Buma, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carl, Trout Creek, Vinans, Lakewood, Old Salem, Louisville, Wright Settlement, Devil's Pocket, Fields, Bon Lear, Bancroft, Buma, and Maryville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Louisiana.
Yes. Woo!